This is 11:30 in the morning on Saturday, January the 30th. You can see it's mixed back with some snow now, but it's still pouring down. It doesn't look like it's going to let up, although the radar's showing that it is slowing down as far as we don't have the big clouds over the top of us anymore. They finally got that car up the hill, the car that was stuck. But you can just see we really have seen a lot of snow from this event. This is one of the biggest snows we've probably had in 15 years. Little ice pellets falling down. All around me. And the wind is blowing. Not terribly, probably about 10 miles an hour. Look at the snow standing on top of like that stump over there. This is amazing. Here in Hickory, North Carolina.